Page 251, this is Andantino at the top of the page. Andantino is a speed. It is the speed of the piece. And a lot of times in music, composers will just give the title, the piece the title. That is the speed. That's just whatever. So they'll say, play Andantino. And you say, which one? Because there's a lot of Andantinos by different composers or whatever. That's just the way they did it. I'll talk about Andantino as a speed a little later. We're just reading this here, but I'm going to go through the process anyway, because you got some tricky stuff going on here. I'll look it over. It's 2 lines long. Treble and treble clef. Both stabs are treble clef. No sharps or flats in the key signature. We're either in C major or A minor. And I'm just going to do the scales on our pages for both, whatever it's in. I think it's in C major, but it could go into A minor or whatever. It doesn't matter. 2 4-time signature. The hands are playing together, and we have some changes in time signature we got to deal with. So we got to talk about that. Right hand here. So 1 and 2 and 1 and. Now what's this 3/4 time going on? Okay. Most of the time when you change time signatures in a piece, not always, but most of the time, there will be something common between them, something that will remain the same. Here, it's the speed of the beat. The speed of the beat is remaining the same. Whatever this 1, 2, 1, 2 is, except here, we're just going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. That's all that happens here. And most of the time, that's really what it's going to be. So in measure 8, it's here 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, like so. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 1, 2. So what's the point in all that? It changes the natural accent. It's almost like a syncopation. Actually, it is. It's 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It changes it. It alters it. It throws it off a little bit. Syncopation. Left hand. All quarter notes except at the end. 1, 2. Not bad. Now let's put the hands together and see what happens. And I'll hesitate. That's fine. I don't care. It's just here, and then here, and then here. See, the left hand goes down. Never mind what it sounds like. I'm busy. You just kind of turn the ears off for a little bit and try and just focus on what's going on here. We can turn the ears on and enjoy the music a little later if we need to. Keeping in mind this is Stravinski, you would expect that kind of harmony from him. If you don't expect it, you will soon. Now once I have the hands put together, then I'll go back through and get rid of any hesitations. I can keep it slow as fine, no hesitations. Then I add the articulation. I'm assuming these are phrases. I don't know yet. Treat them like phrases and lift up between each one. For the left hand, he's got these little tenuto lines on all the notes on the first 4 measures. To me, you're going to connect these as much as you possibly can. I mean, you'd think the curved line would take care of it, but even though I'm lifting up for the phrasing in the right hand, I'm going to try and connect this left hand here. I'm lifting up here, I'm holding that down. You're just connecting it after that. And you have an accent there in the next last measure. Accent. I'm not sure what he was after, but that's sort of what I'm getting out of it. Dynamics, start out soft, right hand. crescendo, up to about a moderately soft. Stay there. And you're staying there for the rest of the piece, except in the next to the last measure, that accent takes that one note up a little more to about a moderately loud note. Then speed, and that's where the Andantino comes in. There is a disagreement on what Andantino means. Surprise, surprise. Andante is a casual stroll. Andantino is close to it. Whether it's slower or faster than that depends on who you talk to. Some people say it's slower, some people say it's faster. Andantino is a little andante, technically. Well, if Marato's here and you're slowing Andante's here, then a little andante would be a little faster than that. But if you're taking the whole thing from very slow to very fast, and you have andante here, Andantino would be slower than that. I don't like Andantino, and since this is all just a range anyway, I usually just play them what I think andante is, and you can interpret it any way you want to, so I'm just going to go andante. You can, whatever speed you want to choose, or whatever speed your teacher tells you to go. Let's play it together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. One hand at a time on this if you have to, because the rhythm or the harmony is a little different than what we're accustomed to, or what I'm accustomed to. I'll give us 2 counts. Ready, go.